Hello everyone! Recently, we made a video about common English mistakes that kids make. That video got a lot of likes and a lot of comments. Many of you requested us to make a video about kids speaking English. So this video is for all those kids who want to speak English fluently. There are some basic things that you should know before speaking English. Firstly, pronunciation. If you want to speak English, you need to learn the correct pronunciation of English words. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. Learn the sound of each letter. Learn how to pronounce words with these letters. You can find many videos on YouTube that can help you with that. Secondly, grammar. Learning basic grammar rules will help you to speak grammatically correct English. You don't have to be an expert in grammar, but knowing basic things like tenses, articles, prepositions, etc. will definitely help you to speak better English. There are many free resources available online that can help you with that. Thirdly, vocabulary. If you want to speak English fluently, you need to have a good vocabulary. You should know at least 500 common English words. I have already made a video about 500 common English words. You can watch that video. Also, I suggest you read English books and learn new words from them. Fourthly, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes when they speak. It's okay if you make mistakes. Don't let that discourage you. Just keep practicing and you will improve. Also, don't be afraid to speak English. If you want to learn English, you need to practice. The best way to learn English is by speaking English. So don't be afraid to speak even if you make mistakes. Lastly, practice with your friends. If you have friends who also want to learn English, you can practice together. You can talk to each other in English and help each other to improve. You can also watch English movies and TV shows together and discuss them in English. Learning a language takes time, so be patient and keep practicing. Also, have fun while learning. If you enjoy the learning process, it'll be easier for you to learn. So follow these tips and you will see improvements in your English. Thank you.